Ngiyabonga-ke namhlanje ukuthi sengitholile into ephilayo.
Inadequate housing where you have the walls, 4 walls and a roof, but there's no basic services, there's no electricity, there's no clean water. It's not habitable. But what we have done here, we have built houses inside a thriving community.
Bakeries has been around in the KZN region since 1851. So for the last almost 180 years, we have been part of the tapestry of KZN. And really, the Bread for Bricks campaign was about ensuring that we were giving back to the communities that mean so much to our beloved brand. The Bread for Bricks campaign was an on-pack promotion where we partnered with Habitat for Humanity in an effort to try and rebuild some of the homes in KZN that have been devastated by floods or even just abject poverty in KZN, where some of the consumers, our consumers, were needing a helping hand.
Bengeke ngisabe noma ngabe kuna imvula ukuthi yena ingahle ngidilikele nezingane ngoba iseke kwake kwenzeka ngonyaka uphelile yake yaphephuka kwaphephuka uphahla lasekamereni saze sabalekela komunye umuzi.
Umuzi indlela engihlala kuyo ibidilike ngalendlela ukuthi bengehlala umuntu phakathi. Ubuthulele phakathi ubona umuntu ohamba emgwaqeni.
Indlela sesikade sinayo bekuyindlu wayezamile umama amandla enginawo wayezamile khona ngoba sikwazi phela ukulala noma kuthiwa imvula iyana noma kuvuza noma sibona ngaphandle siphathe endlini kodwa khona besihlala phezu kunjalo.
As Premier as a group, we believe in collaboration, partnerships, and then we know that I think if we partner with Habitat for Humanity, they are well experienced, they've done this for many years, and then we guarantee that the work that they'll do in terms of identifying the perfect beneficiaries that will be deserving of what we want to do in the communities will be the right fit.
Yonke into inesikhathi umuntu mengimtshela yonke into inesikhathi uNkulunkulu ungenelele kimi ngiyabonga kakhulu ngoBB ngize ngiphindelele ngaye.